Gargoti Museum, India's only gem and mineral museum, unveils a new display of Mr. K.C. Pandey's crystal carving collection. The collection showcases exclusive carvings, carved from crystals such as jade, green aventurine, quartz, rose quartz, and ruby. These masterpieces are entirely carved by hand, highlighting the rich cultural heritage of India, along with the exceptional craftsmanship of the Indian artisans. The minutiae details captured in these carvings would surely leave you awestruck. A unique blend of nature with human art, showcasing right now at Gargoti Museum, Nashik.